An articulating cube that transforms into a crossbow? Yes. What's up, guys? My name is Michael and welcome to Miller's Mad Designs. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you a project I did when I was going to Cal State Long Beach for industrial design. And this was a pretty interesting and kind of fun project. So the point of the project was to essentially create something that starts out as a cube, kind of like this, kind of looks cube-like, and then have it transform, turn into something completely different. So like the Eiffel Tower or like WALL-E. I think someone did WALL-E, which is really crazy. But for me, I decided to do something kind of fun and playful. So I did a crossbow. So this guy actually turns into a crossbow. Now, the process of getting to this actually took quite a while. I had a first prototype, which basically was a failure. It's this guy right here. So essentially with this, it's kind of fallen apart, but essentially with this model, I did exactly what my professor Tubner did not want me to do, and it was like all reconfiguration. So each side of the cube essentially folded up into a piece of this, and then you would reassemble it, and then it would turn into this, which didn't even work really well. It was able to shoot a straw, yay! But that's about it. But this definitely helped me get to this area, or this, oh look, it just fell off. So, with this guy, what I ended up doing was actually going to SolidWorks to help me figure out how to make this start as a cube and not have so much reconfiguration. So, I'm going to show you how to put this together and turn it into the crossbow. So let's get into it. So you have your stock pieces here on the side. When I presented this, it was all kind of tied together with the string and rubber bands and whatnot. But yeah, so you have these pieces, and then you have kind of this front part that's kind of just resting there, making the front side of the cube. And there's just two pieces in here. And so the next part is you slide that out, and then you rotate that, flip it up, and now you got that. And then you have these arms here, kind of swivel out. It's kind of falling apart. What you want to do next is take these guys, which are the stocks. These kind of flip out, as you can see. This one as well. So I'm gonna take these, and they actually slot into each other. You can kind of see here. So just like that. Now that's a nice sturdy hold. I actually had some tabs on the bottom that I originally had here that would kind of go in here and make that joint even stronger, but I lost them. This is an old project. So let me go ahead and show you the next part. So these kind of fit into these areas, just like that. Oh, forgot to mention, these here, they flip out into the stock. So the next part is flipping out the handle and hoping the stock doesn't fall out. So flip out the handle, and then I take this piece and actually fit it into there. Where was I? So The next part is to take this weird looking toothpick thingy and you kind of jam it down here in between the cardboard, and that's supposed to help give it some stability, just like that. Once that's done, you are going to take these two pieces here that were the front, and then it's kind of got this tab and slot right there, kind of see, and that goes into this front part. There we go. And then next piece in the back, just like that. So now you have a level platform for the dowel. So that dowel goes through here. Now what I want to do is push this piece here up. You can kind of see that goes up. So this is what the string goes over. Just gonna put this here. All right, we are almost there. Next bit is to take your rubber bands, and then on these arms, actually I designed it so that you can put rubber bands on the front here. There's some hooks for the rubber bands, so you can kind of stretch over the rubber bands just like that. So now they have tension. They have a spring to it. The next one, so you can kind of see that. Ooh. Let me see it. So I'm now going to put this guy in the back. Oops. Right there. And you're going to put dowel in and hope it shoots. All right, ready? Let's see if it shoots. Come on. Yeah! Nice. Let's try that again. Well, that was fun. Can't believe it actually worked. All right. Dowel in. Line it up. Let's shoot it at you this time. So that was the project. It was a fun little project. I definitely learned a lot from it. This was back when I had a bandsaw and I was using wood and cardboard and things like that and cutting pieces out. But now I got fancy 3D printers here, so definitely don't really, I probably would just 3D print these pieces. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope I was somewhat entertaining, and I will definitely make much more entertaining videos in the future that are more related to, you know, like video games and movies and props and really cool fun things. And I mean, this is kind of fun, but it was a school project. So anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, please. I'm a new channel, so that will help me out a lot. I don't know how to close out later.